Yeah, so I tried myself hard and listening I got like 65. So I was thinking that if I do the same thing, if I don't do any different, then I think I will achieve the same result. And also I have seen your videos before. So yeah, I'm like, so I think I have to do something different and I would get good environment here, like other students would be doing their practice. So that's why I think I thought to join the language academy.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Bhavik with me. 25 points towards his permanent residency. Congratulations, Bhavik. Very well done.
Thank you, Arun.
First, you cleared your NAATI with us, and now you've got 8 each in PT as well.
Yeah.
I've seen you working so hard. I've seen you spending whole weekends, whole of Saturday in the lab, coming for the mock test on Sunday.
Yeah.
And then during the weekdays as well, you used to sit here around 4 hours after your work. That takes a lot of effort. One thing I would like to ask you, right? When you took the exam by yourself last year, I guess, you were standing on 65.
Yeah.
Why you thought that, yes, why didn't you thought this way that, yes, I've got 65 myself, I'll try for 79 myself as well?
Yeah, so I tried myself hard and listening I got like 65. So I was thinking that if I do the same thing, if I don't do any different, then I think I will achieve the same result. And also I have seen your videos before. So yeah, I'm like, so I think I have to do something different and I would get good environment here, like other students would be doing their practice. So that's why I think I thought to join the language academy.
So basically, that's a very smart thing, that you knew that if you are going to do the same thing, if you're going to give the same input to the computer or algorithm over there, you're going to get the same output. It's very important, guys. You change something, because if you're doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results, that's not going to happen. In order to get something different, you have to do something different as well. If you're taking the exam again and again, getting the same score, doing the same thing, you need to change something, and that change will help you get over the line. Bhavik, what do you think is important for listening section? Because that is one section where you were, having some problem with spellings, I remember.
Yeah.
You had a very long spelling list as well.
Yeah.
What do you think is important for listening?
So listening overall, like I would say, repeat sentence is the main one, and right from dictation. Nowadays we got few tricks and tips, so it's bit easy. But if you don't do practice, then again you will lose their few marks. So listening, I would say, is a repeat sentence, and for me, like I would say, retail lecture also, because I don't have much clarity on my during initial phase, so I was losing that. And again, like if you don't have a good spelling, then you will lose the marks for both like listening and writing.
That's right.
So
that's
yeah,
right. Very important that you focus on spellings, because if we focus on right from dictation, we focus on highlight incorrect words, but we miss out the fact that, yes, even if you are able to capture whole of the sentence, but you write incorrect spellings in summarized spoken text or right from dictations, you're going to lose a lot of points. Very important you focus on that. You have taken a lot of mock tests as well. You ran out of all the mock tests, I remember.
Yeah.
You have done each and everything. Why are mock tests important?
Yeah, so the mock test give you like a real exam environment, and also our mock tests are mostly contain is repeated materials. So you will get, and also like each mock test you will get the feedback, and you will work on those feedback and you improve yourself. And yeah, that's a thing, like
you have to work on the mistakes.
Correct.
Very important, guys. You take as many mock tests, because just taking the mock test is not enough.
Yeah,
right? You
correct.
Take the mock test, you get the feedback and you improve on the same, because if you are doing the mock test but you're not really sure what mistakes you're making, that is not going to take you anywhere. You take the mock test, work on the feedback provided, take another mock test, see if you are improving on your mistakes or not. Have your progress tracked by someone who will give you the right direction, and you are going to get over the line.
I also just want to add it, like we have to do like all sections together. Like sometime what happen, we focus on speaking, then we lose on listening. If we focus more on listening, then we lose reading. So I mean, we have to do all together, not one by one sections.
That's right. So what happens is, let's say if I'm struggling in reading, I'll just focus on reading blanks, and next attempt I'll get 90 in reading and miss out. This happened with you as well.
Yeah, one attempt I had happened. Like I cleared the my first I was lacking in reading, then I cleared the reading, then it was again lacking for listening.
So very important you focus on each and everything. Yes, you can focus a bit more on your mistakes, but very important you focus equally on each and every task. Bhavik, What do you think is important for 𝗏𝗏i? You have cleared that in the very first go. What is important for 𝗏𝗏i?
So 𝗏𝗏i, like material is the important, like you have to do good practice of dialogues. Like, and in class, you know, this is the class where we were sitting and doing the 𝗏𝗏i dialogue practice. And like in language academy is giving very difficult dialogues. So in exam, you will feel that it's very easy for you. And another thing, like I haven't got good marks, but still like I cleared in first attempt. But my friend, like who has not attended the academy, but he himself, he lose with 3 marks. So I got 3 marks more. So that's a different, like if you do proper practice and if you have good materials and all, then it's very high chance to clear in first attempt.
That's right. So you know, there's not a lot of margin between passing the exam and not passing the exam.
Yeah.
Right. You may miss out by your exam by just 1 or 2 points as well, and you may pass by 1 or 2 points extra.
That's correct.
And that is where the difference comes through, right? When you practice, when you are in the environment, you get used to face the worst case scenario. As he told, the dialogues are very difficult, but if they are not difficult, and in case you get something difficult in the exam, it will be very tough.
Yeah.
But if you practice on the difficult material and you get difficult in the exam as well, things are going to be quite smooth and easy for you.
Yeah.
So very important, guys, even if it's your PT or 𝗏𝗏i, you keep on practicing and practice in the right direction, get the right feedback, take a number of mock tests, and give yourself a bit of a hard time. Don't keep yourself easy, right?
That's
you
correct.
need to make sure you push yourself out of the comfort zone, give yourself some hard time, and when you sit for the exam, things are going to appear very, very easy. That's it from this video. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
All the very best. That's it from this video, guys. Keep on practicing, stay safe, take care, and make sure you do not give up. Thanks, guys.